So the chapter 8 chapter trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, exercise 1. So the first problem, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 24 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters. It's the given values. So then solve the 1 and 2. Let's take it as 1. So solution is given the triangle ABC. First of all, you can draw a rough diagram of right angle triangle is given. Yes or no? Right angle triangle. So right angle at B. So A, B, C. So AB equal to 24 centimeters. This one is 24 centimeters. And then BC equal to 7 centimeters. Then find the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, find the AC. Why? Because find A cos A. So what is sin A? What is cos A? Before classes, introduction class, you are well known about that. Sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. The same side, cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So it's given, which one is given? AB and BC. AB equal to 24 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters. Then find the AC. Why? Because asking A, sin A means angle at A, cos A means angle at A. So this is A. This one is opposite. So opposite side no, but hypotenuse don't know AC. That's why you can find the AC. So find the AC. First of all, our AC means hypotenuse. Then Pythagoras theorem apply. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Then in the one side is opposite, another side is adjacent. Then substitute the values. Why? Because you know the both sides. Okay. Then hypotenuse square, here AC square equal to, what is the value? AB square plus BC square. Therefore AB square means hypotenuse square equal, that means AC square equal to 24 square plus 7 square. AC square equal 24 square means 576 plus 7 square equal to 49. Therefore AC equal to root of 576 plus 49, 625. Therefore AC equal to 25. You know very well about the AC. Then substitute the values in both conditions. Then sin A means opposite side. What is the opposite side of the sin A? BC by hypotenuse AC. That is equal to 7 centimeters by 5 centimeters. The same thing, cos A means adjacent side. This A adjacent side is 24. That means AB by AC. Therefore 24 by 25. This is the first problem solution. Second solution also same thing. This side opposite one is this one. Like this same thing. This first problem solution. Second problem solution means, what is sin C? Sin C. What is the opposite side? Sin C. AB by AC. That is equal to 24 by 25. Then cos C. Cos C equal to the same time the adjacent side BC by AC. That is equal to 7 by 25. This is the problem 4. The second problem is, in the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. So tan P and cot R. What is given in the given figure? What is the figure given? Figure given PQ equal to 12 centimeters and then PR equal to 13 centimeters. That means one side is given, hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given. but the base will be not given. QR will be not given. First of all, to find the QR, again apply to find QR the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem we can apply. That means hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse means PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. So you know PR 13 centimeter square equal to PQ 12 centimeter square plus QR. You don't know, that way you can put it as x unknown value x square. To find x square, taking x square is a common, then 12 square coming this side, 13 square minus 12 square, x square equal to 169 minus 144. So x means root of 25, that is equal to 5 centimeters. X value is nothing but QR. Then you know the QR value. Then substitute the, what is the, find tan P minus cot R. So first of all, what is tan? Tan P is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side of the P? Where is the P? This angle P. This opposite side is QR, the adjacent side. This is the adjacent side. So opposite side means QR by PQ. Let us take this. What is the QR? What is the QR means? Value 5 centimeters by PQ means 12 centimeters. Very good. Then cot R. So what is the cot R? Cot means adjacent side by opposite side. That is equal to, what is the adjacent side of the, which one? R is R. Adjacent side means QR by, what is the opposite side? This one, 12. That means PQ, 5 by 12. Therefore tan P, find the tan P minus cot R, that is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, 0. The value will be 0 over. The third problem is, if sin A is 3 by 4 is given, calculate the cos A and tan A. So is given is sin A. So given, you can first of all, from the figure you can put it as sin means opposite side means hypotenuse. Opposite side means, what is the A, where it is? A is this one. This one opposite side is this one. So BC is given 3. Then hypotenuse is this one 4. So the given BC equal to 3 and then AC equal to 4. Then what about this one? X. So AB is not given. We can find the AB based on the given figure. Find AB using, you have known about Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse means AC square equal to side, any side, AB square plus BC square. So AC square means 4 square. AB square is given? No, it's not given. X square plus. So BC is given? Yeah, given 3 square. Let us find the X means BC, AB. So therefore X square equal to 4 square minus 3 square, because here plus coming to this side minus. X square equal to 4 square means 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. If I x equal to root of 7, therefore x is nothing but a AB. So AB is also find what is the root 7. Then you can easily find the cos A. It's nothing but cos A means Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? So what is the cos A? So based on the A, where it is a is this is the adjacent side. Therefore, AB by AC. What is AB? Already you can find it. Root 7 by 4. Again you can find the tan A. Tan A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Not hypotenuse, adjacent. Tan means AB. Opposite side means where it is A. Again A. AB by opposite side means BC by AB. What is the BC? 3 by AB means root 7. So these are the values cos A, tan A.